Hey guys, Lucas here from T.REX Arms. So most of the drills that I do when I'm out here at the range are basic fundamentals drills. I'm just shooting paper, I'm really watching accuracy, and I'm isolating down to certain things. So maybe I'm just working reloads, or I'm just working offline of attack movement, or maybe I'm just working a sight presentation, or I'm just working the draw. But every once in a while I like to put everything all together and build something like a USPSA style stage where I'm kind of having to work on everything all at once to kind of see how I do. So I'm going to shoot this with our Ragnarok holster, and I'm going to be using my Glock 19 with the KKM compensator and the Leupold DeltaPoint Pro. You may see a few other pistols show up in this video, but I'm going to shoot this a few times so you can kind of see what I do. I'm going to be incorporating a couple reloads on the move at each position, and then shooting all this paper and a couple steel poppers. So let's do it.